Hello friends, welcome to Sani Prithviraj Education Channel. Today I am going to present objective type most important questions with answers for NTSC for 10th students, and also this objective type question and answers helps to all the competitive exam preparing friends, and most of the questions are asked in many examination of competitive exam. So see the video completely and share this video to all the 10th standard students. We are going to prepare NTSC exam for first phase. So in this video I am going to present series 3. That means already I have uploaded series first and second. If you want to see those series 1 and series 2, please subscribe our channel and see there. Let us start now the video. Physics series 3. Question 1. The increasing order of doping levels in different regions of transistor is: option 1 emitter base collector, option 2 collector base emitter, option 3 base emitter collector, option 4 base collector emitter. Correct answer is option 2 collector base emitter. Next question. Question number 2. A train is approaching a stationary observer with sounding a whistle. Then the observer hears the sound of option 1 same frequency, option 2 slightly lower frequency, option 3 slightly higher frequency, option 4 same frequency but of different quality. Correct answer is option 3 slightly higher frequency. Question number 3. If the distance between two bodies is increased by 2%, then force of attraction between them will be: option 1 decreases by 6%, option 2 decreases by 4%, option 3 increases by 4%, option 4 increases by 6%. Correct answer is option 2 decreases by 4%. Question number 4. If suddenly the gravitational force of attraction between Earth and a satellite revolving around it becomes 0, then the satellite will: option 1 continue to move in its orbit with the same velocity, option 2 move tangentially to the original orbit with the same velocity, option 3 become stationary in its orbit, option 4 move towards the Earth. Option 2 is the correct answer, moving tangentially to the original orbit with the same velocity. Question number 5. A force of 5N is applied on a body of mass 20 kg makes it to move a distance of 2 meter. The kinetic energy acquired by the body is: option 1 20J, option 2 10J, option 3 15J, option 4 5J. Option 2 is correct answer, that is 10J. Question 6. Which of the following velocity time graph is not possible? Option 3 is correct answer. Question number 7. Universal time is based on: option 1 rotation of Earth on its axis, option 2 oscillation of quartz and crystal, option 3 vibrations of cesium atom, option 4 Earth's orbital motion around the sun. Correct answer is option 1 rotation of Earth on its axis. Question number 8. Two trains A and B are moving on two parallel tracks in the same direction. The velocity of train A is 80 km per hour and velocity of train B is 55 km per hour. Then relative velocity of train A with respect to train B is: option 1 135 km per hour, option 2 3.2 km per hour, option 3 4400 km per hour, option 4 25 km per hour. Correct answer is option 4 25 km per hour. Question 9. A stone of mass 200 gram is dropped from a tower of height 20 meter. The time taken by it to reach the ground is: consider air friction 0 and G is equal to 10 ms raised to minus 2. Option 1 2s, option 2 4s, option 3 8s, option 4 10s. Correct answer is option 1 2s. Question number 10. In the following, the VT graph which represents a body is moving with uniform acceleration and with some initial velocity is option 1, option 2, option 3, option 4. The correct answer is option 3. Thanks for watching the video. Next series, please subscribe the channel and share the video to all SSLC students and competitive exam preparing friends. So till goodbye, and let us see in the next video. Until bye bye.